Hi
Unbox with me.
guys, on today's video I'll be unboxing my most prized kitchen gadgets. Yes guys, this Ninja 2-in-1 blender is like an investment to me. I've been eyeing it for a while, and after my last blender packed up, like it was a no-brainer than to get this blender. You guys, this blender is a machine. Can you hear that sound? So the blender comes with a 1.9 liter cup and also a smoothie cup. And you guys, when I say this blender is a machine, it is. Look at how we blended that oat into a fine powder. Look at how smooth it is. So you can use this blender to blend both wet and dry ingredients. I used it to test my smoothie and it came out perfect. You guys, I cook a lot, I make a lot of stews, smoothies, so getting this blender was just something I needed.